Hi friends, welcome to my channel Sunidhi Talks. So today we are going to see how to make a bird nest. Actually, I am making this project for my school, but I thought why won't I make a video about it. So here's the video, let's get into it. Things we need Fevicol, rope, coconut coir, coconut and some birds. So let's start. First, take the coconut and apply glue fully to the coconut. Fully you need to apply glue. Okay, now the glue is applied fully. I use the card and pencil to apply glue like this. See, I have applied like this the glue. Okay, now take the rope and take the starting of the rope. Okay, the starting. Then place it in the center of the coconut like this. Then keep a finger on it and roll it like this. See, I am showing it to you like this. Don't worry if the Fevicol sticks to your hand. If you wash it, it will wash away. So don't roll fully, leave some gap on the top, okay? Because we need to make the hanging, that's why you need to leave some gap on the top. Okay, like this. See, I have left some gap on the top. Okay, now it will come like this. Then keep it aside for some time. Then take 3 rows of rope, equal sized. Then cut it. See, I am cutting it. Okay, now it's like this. Now see, 3 threads are there. Okay, now take one thread and take the coconut and stick it over here. See, that up thread should touch the down thread. Can you understand? Okay, like this. Okay, then take all the 3 threads and stick them like that only. Okay, like this. See, I'm sticking the 3rd thread like that. Then apply glue on the top also. Okay, then after applying, roll the thread again on the top of the hanging also. It will come like this. Okay, see, the hangings are sticked. You cannot get any even coconut, so you can take some small pieces of thread and stick it. Okay, I'm sticking it. See, I'm sticking it with some glue. Only put little glue, not much. Okay, but still my coconut is not even, so I'm going to take some more little threads and keep it over where it is up and down. I'm going to keep it there. Okay, see, the hanging will come like this. Okay, now don't make a tie. You need to put coconut coir inside the coconut. It will be like some sticks. Okay, okay, like this. I think you have seen a bird nest. Okay, like this. You need to put the coconut coir inside the coconut. Now take some birds and put it inside the coconut. Okay, don't worry if the birds come out of the coconut coir also. See, if the birds won't fit in the coconut also, don't worry. Okay, like, okay, I'm keeping it like this. You can use snowballs as the eggs of a bird, or you can keep any decorative items. Okay, you can decorate. Now take the 3 things and make a tie. See, I have made a tie like this. So the hanging will be like this. See, okay friends, we are done. It will come like this after decorating it with the decorative items. Okay friends, hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Okay, bye. Meet you in the next video.